In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring events in Google Calendar on your mobile device. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or just trying to keep track of important dates, setting up recurring events can be a real time saver and help ensure you never miss a beat. Let's dive right in and simplify the process together. First things first, open up Google Calendar on your mobile device. Once you've got it open, you'll want to look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you should see a distinct plus button. When you tap this button, it gives you the option to select Event. This is how we start creating a new event in Google Calendar. Now that you've tapped Event, you'll need to fill in the basic details of your event. This includes adding a title, which is crucial for quick identification in your calendar. Don't forget to include the date and time. This ensures your calendar accurately reflects when your event takes place. Additionally, if you have a specific location for your event, you can include that too. While it's optional, adding a location can be immensely helpful if you need directions or plan to share this event with others. The next step is setting your event to repeat. By default, the event is set to Does Not Repeat, which means it would be a one-time event. To change this, tap on Does Not Repeat. This will bring up several options for how often you'd like the event to occur. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. However, if these predefined options don't suit your needs, there's an opportunity for a more customized schedule. Simply tap on Custom, where you can tailor the recurrence pattern to fit your specific requirements. Once you've determined the recurrence pattern, we're just about done. The last thing to do is save the event. For Android users, you will see a check mark. Simply tap that. And for those on an iPhone, there will be a Save button. Once you've tapped Save, your recurring event is all set and ready to go. It's really as straightforward as that. You've now efficiently utilized Google Calendar to manage your repeated commitments from your mobile device. Remember, if you ever need to adjust the details or frequency of your recurring event, you can always go back and modify the event at any time. Keeping your calendar updated ensures it remains a valuable tool in managing your time effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make your scheduling a little easier.